Hi guys, today we're taking a look at my funny, fantastical Middle Fingers adult coloring book by Erin Cooper. So this is just so fun and stress relieving. It's a book full of 30 individual projects, each super detailed, so it gives you tons of space to select tons of different colors. Great for stress relief, as I've said, or just for like sitting around and general relaxation. I know it's just a really nice creative outlet. Dimension of it is 8.5 by 11 inches. Each of them are single-sided, so great for if you're like wanting to use a different kind of pencil, crayon, or marker. Good if there's any kind of bleed through. I haven't had any issues. I've used watercolor as well as pencil crayon, and both have been absolutely delightful on there. Really recommend you check it out. It's a super original, clever work of art. Check it out.